Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you have a frozen water pipe. Alright guys, it's beautiful out there, but it's freezing. So I came home, I turn on the water, and nothing happens. That means this pipe is frozen because the pipes go behind this wall here. And this being an outside wall, they freeze pretty easily. And normally this wouldn't happen, but I came home and the heat wasn't working, so that's why I got this problem. I'm going to show you what to do to fix it. First thing you got to do is take everything out of the bottom of here. Take all this stuff out, all this garbage out. Okay, take all this stuff out. Alright, so we got everything out from underneath the sink, and now is a good time to clean under there because it gets pretty nasty. Next thing you want to do is get yourself one of these little heaters. Now, these are like a fan heater combination, and you could buy these at, I don't know, Walmart, Target, Lowe's, whatever. And what you're gonna do is set it at the highest heater setting, okay? And you're just gonna stick this thing right in here, right up against the wall, okay? Now what's gonna happen is that's gonna heat up that wall back there, and then the heat is gonna radiate onto the pipes, and eventually it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take hours, okay? But eventually it's gonna defrost the pipes. Okay guys, if you want the process to go faster, you can also get another heater and put it on the outside wall. So now, make sure you don't put it too close to the wall, because if you have vinyl siding, you can melt the siding. Ask me how I know. See how I got kind of warped? Anyway, you learn from your mistakes. What you could do is put a chair over this, and in my case, I could put like this table over it like that, and then put a tarp over it so it retains the heat. So now you have heat on the inside, heat coming from the outside, and that should help it defrost quicker. Alright guys, let's see how we do many hours later. It works! Nice! Now this is only going to work if you have a frozen pipe. If you have a broken pipe, that's going to be a bigger problem, okay? And hopefully that's a video I never have to do. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.